Welcome to the Buccaneer Pirate Ship Jump, Climb, and Slide combo. This is a very popular item, especially for large events that want to have a piece that's really awe-inspiring for their guests. As you can see, it's shaped and looks everything like a pirate ship, with all of our, Buccaneers over here at the top and whatnot. As kids get into this boat, they're going to come over here to the entrance. They're going to climb up this tall climbing ladder here. They'll come through here, and then they're going to slide down. And then at the bottom, in the bow of the ship, you can see there's a nice jumping area. This is the Buccaneer Pirate Ship.